Today I'm going to show you how to save in Google Docs. Open up Google Docs in your web browser and select the document you want to save. Once the document is being opened, whenever you make any editing in the document, the Google Docs automatically saves your document to Google Drive without you clicking on any save options. So at the top here, this is where you will see that your file or your documents have been saved to Google Drives. So let's make an editing or changes here. As you can see, it is showing saving and it is being saved to the drive. So Google Docs automatically save your file to Google Drives. But if you want to save the document to your desktop or your PC, you click on the File tab at the top left of the screen. Then you select Download. Now you can download the file as Microsoft Word or as PDF document, depending on how you want it. So you click on the file you want to download, then it would show in the download icon here. And once it's been downloaded, you can click on it to open the file in your PC. So it has been automatically saved to your PC. That's all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more tips. Bye.